Hello everyone, welcome back to our spam video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this application because iOS 10 or later you must update to iOS 10 in order to download and use this application on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. Here as you can see, I want to install here WhatsApp Messenger on my device, and this is popping up as this application records iOS 10 or later. So first of all, let me check here. Actually, I'm using here iOS version. Here, let me show. You can see here it is 9.3.6. So that's why it's giving me the error. So how to fix this issue? First of all, what you have to do is just grab another iOS device like iPhone or iPads which is running like this, which is running here. You can see on iOS version later 10 or later. Here it's running at iOS 15. So what I have to do to solve this problem, here the Apple ID you can see I'm using in the iTunes store is this one. Here it is, Khan Tariq. So what you have to do is just here in this device which is running at iOS 10 or later, sign in with this Apple ID. So I have already signed in with this Apple ID. So after this, what you have to do is just download or install here the app you want to install on this device. So here open up App Store and I want to install WhatsApp. Here it is, WhatsApp. Here it is. I want to install this app, so I have to give my Touch ID here. And let it download it. So wait, I have to wait. So here you can see it has been downloaded. So after this guys, what you have to do is just here in the iPhone in which this error was coming, you have to again try for this, open up App Store here, and then what you have to do is just type here on update here in the corner here, and now type here on purchase. Here in the history you can see here iCloud options. So what you have to do is just type here on iCloud option and type here on download. So as you can see it's downloading here. So after downloading here in this device, you are now able to download on this device as well. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.